we're facing devastating cuts to our local mental health services.
What we know is that the number of inpatient acute adult beds for our area, and our area is Waveney and Great Yarmouth, is due to be cut from 42 to 20. And what we didn't know is the number of acute dementia beds is due to be cut from 12 to 3.
What's being proposed will reduce the number of adult acute inpatient beds by more than half, reduce the acute dementia beds from 12 to 3, and it will take hundreds of staff out of the service. This is simply unacceptable. We know it's being driven by the government's demand to take 20% out of the National Health Service budget, but I'm also really disappointed in the Trust for trying to dress these cuts up as service changes.
My name's Pat Cruz and I'm the care manager for Crossroads in Lowestoft. If they do need it, there is a bed available, and the expertise within Carlton Court is absolutely incredible, and that can't be replaced, that can't be put into the home.
And what's going on here is very important, and it really concerns everybody in the community, because although mental health services have always been the sort of Cinderella of the National Health Service, it's a fact, and it is a fact, that in our lives about 1 in 4 of us will suffer some form of mental ill health at some time.
They say people can be looked after in the community, but they've been cutting back the community mental health teams. And we saw what happened before when we had Margaret Thatcher's care in the community. We saw people discharged from mental hospitals with nowhere to go, and often suicidal consequences.
As someone said to me yesterday, there's a subtle difference between being clinician-led and clinician-supported. And what I am told is that the 8 clinicians who led this work, that's produced this new plan, only 2 of them actually support it.
So we're here today to give a resounding no to these proposals, no to what the Trust is doing, no to what the government is doing, yes to mental health services fit for purpose here in Lowestoft and Waveney.